Long ago, we hired one man to show the world how to do random things. Now, we have the same man and his new partner to show us how to do even more random things. Except this time, they're doing it in nature. Ain't that right, boys? Welcome to another episode of How-To's. How to fall down a hill! How to kick a tree! How to cut off a tree limb! How to kick down a dead tree! How to be dead! I'm doing it! How to blend into your surroundings! How to get lost! How to escape a madman with a knife!
So, Tyler, what should we do a how-to on next?
Nothing. So I'm gonna kill you!
See me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me.